Bounty Killer says Merciless is ungrateful, threw away his career for one Sting clash hype. Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces, leave a comment, please share the life out of this video, feel free to subscribe for more content, remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
Veteran dancehall artist Bounty Killer reignited his long-standing beef with Merciless when he blasted his fellow DJ for being ungrateful. Killer took to his Instagram on Tuesday, June 18 and uploaded a Sting 2000 video of the clash between himself and Merciless.
Embarrass yourself. How far I say you? So how many times people say me are your daddy? Not you. Everybody remember that.
Hey yo, check it out, check it out, check it out. Let me tell you, when I see some little fool I do from where you know my father Bounty Killer. Know my father Bounty Killer. Rodney Price, yeah, my father, I love you. Rodney Price, yeah, my father, I love you. Daddy, check it. Daddy, check it.
Ungratefulness. Remember when Peter denied Christ? He was crucified upside down after that. Merciless denied that Bounty Killer is the father, and then he crucified his own career. Rodney took Leonard under his wings and tried to help him because it is all about love and unity in the dancehall community. Then Mr. Wannabe said he killed 3 at Sting 2000, but where is he now? The son can't kill the father. Bounty is alive and always relevant. Barrett threw away everything just for a little Sting clash hype. Threw away his respect for others and self-respect for himself. Then he developed a dirty habit called ego. If you buy the ants that feed you, you are like a zombie, you are walking dead. Bounty Killer never wish bad for nobody. It's them that wish bad for themselves. And remember, there's a consequence for everything you do and say in life. I am not taking anything away from Leonard. He had a few good songs back in the days, but he committed the worst crime by disrespecting the 5-star general. Bounty then went on to upload another video clip, captioning it by saying this: "It's Memorial Day. Him not remember this either. Too much rum and coke. That is why him career not remember him neither." Whoa. Whoa.
Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach. 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 Beat and teach.
You look like Killer is on a mission for read ungratefulness from the nation. I see him rush matter around where they are with the ungrateful thing now, a Merciless time. But peace, I don't know that Merciless career at this point in time is really and truly 100% the spin-off of that 2000 clash. It might have affected his career, yes, in all honesty, but is it because him this skill? Well, if a man this skill and them career still do very well, you understand what I say? So I don't necessarily know say because him this skill still, but a skill I say might have something to do with this still, but I think Killer take too much responsibility for Merciless demise. You understand? As a matter of fact, I dare say, and I will go as far as saying, I think that the clash the following year where Ninja Man killed Merciless had more negative effect on his career than him dissing Bounty Killer. You understand? But that is just my estimation. Merciless career took a dip, a major hit after that Sting. You understand? And him really and truly not recover from it yet. Merciless has hit hard times since he has come back a few times, performed at Sting a couple of times, but he lost his edge. A long time ago, I did an article, a review not so long ago, where he saying he was working on an album. I not hear nothing about the album yet and them something still. So it is unfortunate to see the state of his career at the moment though, but Killer say ungrateful and ungrateful and I diss him, you understand, but I don't know, Killer cross, angry and miserable from what they are still. So I see where I'm have to come with next. Leonard, anyway, them in general, yeah, good artist, you put in some good work down the years, and hopefully you can, you know, recover a little at the edge you did have back in the days, and so I can go on. You understand what I say? Good artist. My God.
Rodney Price, yeah, my father, I love you. Rodney Price, yeah, my father, I love you. Daddy, check it. Daddy, check it.
Thank you for watching the video. drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.